Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to solve A-Level Pure Maths Year 1 Unit 1 Algebraic Expression. Question number 1 is simplify. You have to simplify algebraic expressions as in the A part given y cube multiply y power 5. So we will solve this in a very easy and simple way. Here we apply the log rule. A power m multiply a power n according to power law, a raised to power m plus n. So this will become y power 3 plus 5, that means y power 8. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the B part. B part is 3x square multiply 2x raised to power 5. So we will solve this as 3 into 2 is 6 and x raised to power 2 plus 5, that means 6x raised to power 7. So this will be the answer. Now the C part is 4x square power 3 divided by 2x raised to power 5. So we will solve this as 4 raised to power 3 and x 2 multiply 3. This power will be multiplied according to this rule, a power m whole power n a raised to power mn. Both m and n are multiplied, divided by 2x raised to power 5. So in the next step 4 multiply 3 times and divide this by 2x raised to power 5 and this is x raised to power 6. It's mean 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 32 x raised to power 6 minus 5, that means 32x. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the D part. Now the D part is 4b square multiply 3b cube multiply b power 4. So we will solve this as multiply 4 into 3, that is 12. So b power 2 plus 3 plus 4, it's mean 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. So 12 b raised to power 9. This will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 2. Now question number 2 is expand and simplify if possible. You have x plus 3 into x minus 5. So we will solve this as x is multiplied by x minus 5 and plus 3 is multiplied by x minus 5. So x into x is x square, x into minus 5 is minus 5x plus 3x minus 15. So we will get x square minus 5x plus 3x is minus 2x minus 15. So this is the answer. Now we will solve the second part. Second part is 2x minus 7 into 3x plus 1. So we will solve this as 2 of x is multiplied by 3x plus 1 and minus 7 is multiplied 3x plus 1. So this will become 2 into 3 is 6, 6x square plus 2x minus 21x minus 7. Now we get 6x square, 21 minus 2 is minus 19x minus 7. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the C part. So in the C part we have 2x plus 5 into 3x minus y plus 2. It's mean that we will solve this as 2x is multiplied by 3x minus y plus 2, and plus 5 is multiplied by 3x minus y plus 2. So we get 2 into 3 is 6, 6x square minus 2xy plus 4x plus 15x minus 5y plus 10. So this will become 6x square minus 2xy, then 15 plus 4 is 19, 19x minus 5y plus 10. So this is the answer. Now we will solve question number 3. Question number 3 is expand and simplify if possible. A part is x into x plus 4 into x minus 1. So we will solve this as x is multiplied by this, so we will get x square plus 4x. Then it is multiplied by x minus 1. So first x square is multiplied by x minus 1. Then plus 4x is multiplied by x minus 1. So we get x square into x is x cube minus x square plus 4x square minus 4x. So we get x cube, 4x minus 1 is 3x square minus 4x. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the B part. Now the B part is x plus 2 into x minus 3 into x plus 7. So we will solve this as, first of all, x is multiplied by x minus 3. Then plus 2 is multiplied by x minus 3. And it is multiplied by x plus 7. So we get x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Then multiplied by x plus 7. So x is multiplied by this. And then plus 7 is multiplied by this. And we can write minus 3x plus 2x as simply x. Then it will become x cube minus x square minus 6x. Here we have plus 7x square minus 7x minus 42. So we get x cube plus 7x square minus x square is plus 6x square. Then minus 7x minus 6x is minus 13x. Then minus 42. So this will be the answer. Now we will do the third part. In the C part we have 2x plus 3 into x minus 2 into 3x minus 1. So we will solve this. First of all, 2x is multiplied by x minus 2 plus 3 is multiplied by x minus 2, and this whole is multiplied by 3x minus 1. So when 2 is multiplied, we get 4x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 6, and then it will become 4x square minus x minus 6 and 3x minus 1. Now we multiply 4x square by 3x. This will be 12x cube, 4x square minus x multiplied by 3x, so minus 3x square minus 18x. Now minus 1 is multiplied by this whole, we get minus 4x square and plus x and minus plus 6. So this is equal 12x cube minus 3 and minus 4 minus 7x square, 18 minus 18 plus is minus 17x and plus 6. So this will be the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution of A-level maths, pure 1, pure 2. Best of luck for your exam because in the next video we will solve the remaining question of this exercise. Stay tuned.